Hi everybody, welcome to Jin's Wall Street News. The U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis announced last Friday that personal consumption expenditures rose 0.4% in February from a month ago. In addition, personal income increased 0.8% in February from the previous month. Meanwhile, the PCE price index increased 0.3% in February, month over month. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 4.22% as investors have priced in an economic slowdown in the first quarter 2025. For the US stocks, S&P 500 dropped 1.97% and the Nasdaq Composite tumbled 2.7% last Friday. The U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis announced last Friday that personal consumption expenditures rose 0.4% from $20,351.5 billion in January to $20,439.3 billion in February, up 5.3% from $19,412.7 billion in February last year. Here's the recession. Can you see any signal of a recession according to the U.S. personal spending? I agree with an economic slowdown in Q1, but I cannot see any indication of an imminent recession yet. In addition, personal income increased 0.8% from $25,246.8 billion in January to $25,441.5 billion in February, up 4.6% from $24,330.9 billion in February last year. When it comes to inflation, the PCE price index rose 0.3% in February from a month ago, up 2.5% from a year ago. The core PCE price index, excluding food and energy, increased 0.4% in February on a monthly basis, up 2.8% year over year. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 4.22% as investors have priced in the economic slowdown in Q1 2025 according to the personal spending data. It seems like the economic slowdown in Q1 has been fully priced in, so moving forward, upcoming economic data and earnings reports for Q2 will be crucial to both the US bond market and the US stock market. For the US stocks, S&P 500 dropped 1.97% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 1.69%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq tumbled 2.7%. Shares of Nvidia fell 1.58% and most of the US chip stocks dropped last Friday. But it seems like the economic slowdown for Q1 has been fully priced in, so we have to pay attention to upcoming economic data and earnings reports for Q2 to see if stock prices are going to bottom soon, or we have to wait for stock prices to bottom until second half of this year. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.